beautiful, bro. So damn beautiful. Look at that. You know, let's put some wood in this. Ooh, look at that. You don't find this branch on the city side. You won't. And a piece of metal. You don't find that, you know. The dead leaves over there. Oh, look at that. Look at that sun. How beautiful it is. Look at this wood. Wonderful. Better than Blair Witch Project. Ooh, look at this. Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Look at that. I just wanna. Ooh, where's the sun? Look at that sun. Oh my God. Stop it. Babe, stop doing this again. Don't do that one more time. Look at that sun. Watch the sun. Watch, watch, watch. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Just nothing. Oh my God, that trees, bro. Look at this. Stop doing this to me. Oh my goodness. What is this Central Park stone doing over here? What is this Central Park stone doing over here? Oh, a fossil's watch too. No, that's not a part of the nature. Oh, look at this blurry effect. I like that. Oh man, look at that. Anyway, continue. This is nothing but a pure beauty. Oh, what is this? Look at that. Oh, the wind is blowing. How beautiful. Look at that. They're all moving. Fishing pole. What is this? It's supposed to be like this. And there's a hidden door over here. Wow, look at that. Secret hidden door. Then you gotta deal with this. Wow, this is just so beautiful. Barbed Wire by Pamela Anderson. Barbed wire by wire. Oh, this is just in heaven. Definitely in heaven. Just don't want to leave this place. Just want to stay here forever. You cannot see a beautiful scene like that, not even near the planes. When you're inside the plane and you fly, you still don't see this type of stuff. It's just that beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this thing, definitely press the like and subscribe button. You also want to check the description. You know, there's more other channels. We're the largest network ever, if you guys don't know us and know me. Definitely take a look. And if you like this type of stuff, it's very important that you spend some time for yourself like that on these places. You know, sometimes the capitalism and the city life is gonna take you over. And by the way, city have beauty too, sure. But sometimes you really wanna go to this green place. Depending where you're living, you might have only 3 to 2 months to find this type of place. Because after that, it's all gonna turn branchy. There will be no more leaf. So take advantage of this moment, you know. Don't go all crazy for money. Don't 24-hour work. Don't do any of that. All right. You still need 1 day or 2 days for yourself. And trust me, it's gonna boost up your productivity big. Oh, that noise in the middle of the nature, so industrial. All this gonna boost up your productivity, trust me. We got the largest channel. We are very busy too. We don't have to do this because we could be working right now. But you know what? I choose to come here to experience this and show you guys this, so you guys also feel with me. And I'm the most high-tech and the most advanced guy with billions of talents all living inside this tiny head. I'm so OG. Anyway, let's be humble. Yeah guys, so you need to spend some time like this by yourself, you know, either with your girl or without your girl. If you do it by yourself, it's even better. And that's it, just spend the time. And that's it, it's gonna pay off, trust me. It's gonna boost up all your productivity. It really will, I'm telling you. You know, whatever, you probably like botanical garden, animals, I don't know, also whatever you like. Spend the time, take a 1 day off. If your terrible job gives you day off on a weekdays, then you take that day off. But one thing you don't want to keep doing is watching movies and playing video games and always stay in internet, because look, this you're gonna miss out. You know, that's it. Right now you're watching this on internet, sure, but you still need to go physically to these places, and you'll be surprised that, whoa, I can do this, I can see this. You're gonna be like, wait, places like this are still exist? You just gotta find it. If you go to the city side, you still have to struggle to find this. It's hard to find this type of place on the city side, but if you go to the suburb side, you will find this even more. You know, sometimes these are hiding behind your backyard. They could be right next door, the place that you go every day. You just have to find it. I don't know this thing was located over here. You know, I found it. That's it. Alright guys, this is me one more time, the largest guy, the largest channel in internet. And yeah, sure, largest guy too. On internet, you definitely want to hit the like and subscribe button. And let me know what you think about this video. I want to hear your opinion. I'm not going to tell you what camera I'm using. You're going to have to message me for that. Over. Peace out.